Starting college is exciting. New friends, new freedom, and yes, a whole new budget to manage. But if you're like most first-year students, your wallet might be feeling the pressure before the semester even begins. The truth is, the transition to college is full of spending traps that can quickly drain your money if you're not careful. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 things you should not buy your first year of college, because saving money early on will give you more freedom later to enjoy the experience without stress. Let's jump in. 1. Brand new textbooks. Textbooks can be insanely expensive. Many first-year students make the mistake of buying brand new copies at the campus bookstore without checking for cheaper options. A single textbook can cost $100 or more, and with multiple classes, those costs add up fast. Why not buy new? Prices are inflated at campus stores. You might only use the textbook for one semester. Professors often use older editions or just specific chapters. What to do instead? Rent textbooks from Amazon, Chegg, or your college bookstore. Rentals usually cost a fraction of buying new. Look for used books online or in local thrift stores. Check if your library has digital copies or physical copies you can borrow. Use online PDFs or resources shared by classmates or study groups. Consider digital versions, which can be cheaper and more portable. Skipping new textbooks can save you hundreds of dollars each semester. Money better spent on essentials or social activities? 2. Expensive furniture and decor. Dorm rooms or first apartments come with limited space and a lot of must-have furniture lists. But you don't need to buy all the trendy or brand new pieces that people advertise on social media. Why not buy expensive furniture right away? Dorm rooms are temporary. You might move next semester or next year. Brand new furniture can be overpriced and often bulky for small spaces. Many dorms provide basics like beds and desks. Buy used or secondhand furniture on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or campus buy-sell groups. Students often sell gently used desks, chairs, lamps, and more for a fraction of retail price. Ask upperclassmen if they have extra items you can borrow or buy cheap. Use minimal decor at first. Your room doesn't need to look like a Pinterest board. A few key pieces like a good desk lamp or comfortable chair are enough. If you want to personalize your space, focus on affordable accessories like posters, fairy lights, or DIY decor instead of expensive furniture. Remember, college is about learning and growing, not about owning perfect stuff. Save your money for things that really matter. 3. Brand new laptop or electronics. A laptop or tablet is a must-have in college, but you don't have to buy the newest, most expensive model your campus tech store advertises. Many freshmen rush out to buy brand new devices without exploring their options. Why not buy a brand new top-tier laptop? Many students never use all the features or power of high-end machines. Older or refurbished laptops can handle most college tasks just fine. You can often get free or discounted software through your school. What should you do instead? Check if your school offers laptop rentals or computer labs with good machines. Buy a reliable used or refurbished laptop from trusted retailers. These often come with warranties and can save you hundreds. Borrow or share with roommates if possible, especially during the first few weeks while you figure out your needs. Focus on buying a laptop with enough RAM and speed to run your essential programs, but don't pay extra for features you won't use. Consider tablets with keyboards or Chromebooks for note-taking and writing essays. These are usually cheaper and lighter. The key is to buy smart and save your cash for other college essentials. 4. Excessive clothing and shoes. It's tempting to want a new wardrobe for college, especially when you see all the cute outfits on Instagram. But buying a ton of new clothes and shoes your first year can quickly drain your bank account. Why not overspend on clothes? You don't need a whole new wardrobe overnight. College campuses tend to be casual. Comfort wins over style most days. Trends change fast, and clothes can pile up unused. How to be smart with your wardrobe. Bring versatile, comfortable clothes from home. Focus on basics that mix and match well. Shop sales, thrift stores, or online marketplaces for affordable, quality pieces. Limit yourself to essentials for the season. A few pairs of jeans, some tees, comfy shoes. Don't buy shoes you won't wear regularly. 1 or 2 good pairs are enough. Remember, you can always upgrade your wardrobe gradually. No need to do it all at once. Focusing on quality over quantity will keep your style fresh without breaking the bank. 5. Unnecessary meal plans or dining hall extras. Many colleges offer meal plans that sound convenient but can be costly and sometimes unnecessary, depending on your lifestyle. Why not blindly buy the most expensive meal plan? You may not use all the meals or swipes included. Some meal plans restrict your dining options or force you to eat at specific times. You might prefer cooking or eating out with friends instead. What to consider instead? Evaluate your schedule and eating habits honestly before choosing a meal plan. If you prefer cooking or eating simple meals in your dorm, a smaller meal plan or none at all could save you money. Consider grocery shopping and meal prepping. It's almost always cheaper and healthier. Look for student discounts at nearby restaurants or food trucks. If you live off campus, explore cooking with roommates to split costs. Don't forget free food on campus. Clubs and events often provide snacks or meals. Choosing the right meal plan and knowing when to cook or eat out can save you hundreds of dollars each semester. Starting college is a big financial step, but avoiding these 5 common money traps can keep you ahead of the game. By skipping overpriced textbooks, avoiding brand new furniture, choosing electronics wisely, limiting your wardrobe, and making smart meal decisions, you'll free up cash for the things that really matter: experiences, travel, savings, and fun with friends. If you want more money-saving tips for college, drop a comment below or subscribe for weekly advice. Your wallet will thank you later.